took me some time to find out that cold brew is really the best way to bring out the nutty and floral essence of any coffee. And on top of it, it is the easiest way to prepare your coffee in just 1 minute. Leave it in the fridge overnight and then enjoy it for the next few days, any time of the day. Just fill up the filter with 60 grams of coffee. That's about 6 piled up spoons that you add to this filter. Okay, that's 2. And then you go on. Perfect. That's it. Looks a little bit like a sausage, paper sausage, compostable paper, nature fine. Close it with a click. There is a jug. 1 liter jug. 1 liter of cold water. That is exactly 1 liter. And you close it. So here it is, 1 liter, freshly prepared, cold brew. I put it in the fridge and see what I have here. It's a cold brew I put in the fridge yesterday evening. So right now it's dark. Just by filling this filter with 60 grams of coffee, now it's ready. I can dispose of it. It's compostable, of course. The nature fine paper and the coffee, together they are compostable. I put them in the bioton and of course I click, I leave it. I leave it for the next many times I want to prepare my cold brew. Okay, it's reusable, stainless steel. Keep it. Enjoy cold brew.